Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove screws that are stripped on your device. For this specific repair, we will be using a 1.5 millimeter flathead screwdriver. We do sell these on our website. The link will be down in the description below. And this flathead screwdriver does a really good job with screws that are stripped, especially if it's Phillips screws. Using this, it's a lot easier to get those screws removed. However, something that's a little bit more difficult would be the T5 screws. For example, we have a Beats Studio Pro right here. These T5 screws are completely stripped. They're like rounded. There's nothing to grab on. And we're gonna use this flathead to go ahead and show you how to remove screws that are stripped. So, for this process, all you really need to do is just apply as much pressure. Go ahead and just place the screw or the screwdriver where it's stripped and push down. Apply as much pressure as you can and just kind of wiggle the flathead back and forth. And when you feel that it's grasped the screw, go ahead and just start to rotate it. You want to go slow though. You don't want to over rotate it too fast and strip it even more, but if you just work it back and forth and twist it slowly, eventually the screw will break loose and you'll be able to get it out of there like so. And if you look at this, this is a T5. It's completely stripped. It's just a circle in there. There's nothing to really latch on, and we were able to do that with a 1.5 millimeter flathead screwdriver. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment or feel free to reach out to us.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.